Can you hear it? The sound of rain. A good, nice, slow rain. No hail so far, which is awesome. I'm harvesting a lot of rainwater. And what you're seeing is farm number 2 is all basically done. That's filter number 1, the radio flow settler filter. Filter number 2, farm 2. This is, both these are for farm 2. The moving flow bed bio media filter. And the only thing I have to do with this one, I do have to put a 1-inch Schedule 40 5-inch piece of pipe in there, PVC pipe, for the drain outlet, just like this one when this dries. I just got my uniseals in the other night, so I have to wait for this to dry real good before I go ahead and install that Schedule 40 5-inch PVC pipe with another ball fitting. So number 2 form's all done. Now I'm going to be going on to number 3. As you can see, we have 3 more 100-gallon stock tanks left, so we have to do 3 more forms. So I'm going to start number 3 today, and this is going to be number 3 up here on top. I'm going to start number 3 form. I got to go ahead and put my 1-inch hole in and add a 1-inch uniseal and get number 3 started and get it all plumbed up. And then it'll be number 4 down here, and then on to this will be number 5. So that's 3, 4, and 5. These last 3 forms will be done, I'm predicting, by the 1st of April. And then I could go on to focusing on getting the rest of the backyard cleaned out and getting the greenhouses up in April. So I'm right on schedule. Everything's looking good. Form number 2 is done. On to form number 3, then 4, then 5. And these are some of the grow beds. Huge grow beds. I have several of these, as you already know. So I'm enjoying this rain, as long as it doesn't hail. The sound of spring's in the air. You can hear the birds. Everything's turning green. And spring is here, the first day of spring. Until next time, DIY Solar, Aquaponics, and prepping, because nobody's coming to save you. I say.